On the 5th of March 2020, 54-year-old Gregg Garfield checked himself into St. Joseph's Providence Hospital Burbank with serious COVID-19 symptoms. This happened after Gregg traveled to Italy on a ski trip with friends last February. Gregg was the hospital's first COVID-19 patient, or Patient Zero, as what they called him. After 2 days, while Gregg is undergoing heavy sedation and paralytic drugs, Gregg's doctors intubated him. Around the 10th day, Gregg went to tracheostomy, and he continued to be on a ventilator for 31 days. During those days, Gregg's body became septic. His kidneys failed, and he was put on CRRT dialysis. Gregg's blood pressure plummeted, and he needed medicines to divert his blood flow to his major organs for survival. Gregg spiked his fevers, and was covered in ice. His lungs collapsed 4 times, and chest tubes were inserted. Gregg developed secondary infections that are common in hospital environments. At that point, Gregg was only given a 1% chance of survival. With it, Gregg doctors and nursing staff always remain 3 steps ahead of any potential disasters. Gregg almost knocked on death's door, but said if no, I'm not coming in. On Friday, Gregg finally got to leave the hospital and go home with a rousing and heartwarming send-off from hospital staff. Gregg still has a long road ahead of him, as his body learns to walk and breathe normally again. However, Gregg is confident that he will recover completely, which probably is the best gift he could give to the dedicated hospital staff who never gave up on him. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to watch our other videos. Thank you.